Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Mariah, aka Right Baby. How you doing? What's good? If you are returning, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. It's good to see you again. If you're new, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you know when I post new videos. Anyway, as you guys can tell by the title of this video, we're going to be doing Scooby-Doo lookbook aesthetic vibes, feels, whatever. This is kind of like a last minute DIY. If you don't have a Halloween costume, these are things that you can literally just pull out of your closet or go to the thrift store to find. Or this just because, you know, I like Scooby-Doo, so I want to do this video. But if you're interested to see how I create these looks, then just keep on watching. Starting off with Fred's iconic look, I chose to go with this white sweater that I got from the thrift store. This blue button up. It doesn't go all the way up. It's just like one of those regular polo shirts. I just got it for the collar. I could have got a lighter blue, but I didn't see one. But I think it still works out fine. The orange headband I got from the beauty supply store. If you didn't want to buy like the actual ascot, because those can be kind of expensive, this was only like $3. And then I had these blue skinny jeans that I got from Discovery Clothing. So yeah, this is how I paired the outfit. I just tucked in the undershirt and threw over the sweater. Next, we have Shaggy's chill look. I got this shirt. Oh, hold on, wait. I need a snack. You know, Shaggy vibes got me hungry over here. But anyway, I got this shirt from the men's section at a thrift store. I believe it was just Goodwill. And then I got these brown pants. These were in my one of my SHEIN hauls. I will link the video down below if you want to see. But any brown pants will do. I'm pretty sure you can find brown pants at the thrift store as well. Yeah, so it's a really just loose baggy shirt like Shaggy wears, and then some regular brown pants. Also, these pants have really great pocket storage if you want to keep a little bit of snacks on you, you know, like Shaggy has all the time. All right, yeah, okay. Here I'm just giving you a close-up of the shirt. It has a stain on it, but that's cool because Shaggy loves to eat, so it's all good, you know? Next, we have the beautiful Daphne. I'm wearing a dress that I got from SHEIN. It was in my last haul. If you didn't see it, the link is in the description box below. The dress isn't exactly the same. It's sleeveless and hers has sleeves. But like I said, these are vibes and it's an aesthetic. It's not really like an exact costume. But, you know, we're giving those same vibes, so it's all good. And the green scarf that I'm wearing actually came from the beauty supply store. It's another headband because the scarf was like almost $10. And I got this for like $2. I also got this headband that I'm wearing on my head from the beauty supply as well. But you can find these same items at like the thrift store or at a really cheap like discount clothing store as well. Next we have Scooby-Doo. This one was pretty hard because, you know, he's a dog, so I didn't know what to do. But I did have this hooded cropped sweater that I just got from SHEIN. I just put on back those same pants that I wore for Shaggy's outfit, and I threw on a blue headband as my collar. I chose this sweater because it's furry, fuzzy, and it reminds me of, I guess, you know, the fur. And the headband is something quick that you could do if you don't have the collar, or if you don't want to spend almost $20 on the collar, because that's what it costs at Spirit Halloween. So I just threw on this little headband and it works just the same in my opinion. But yeah, you can wear brown and black, all brown, or whatever you decide. On to the last, my fave, Velma. I love this fit so much. I got this specifically to be Velma for Halloween. These items did come from SHEIN. If you have any of these items in your closet, you can just pull them out. Or like I said, you can definitely find these items at the thrift store. Any orange sweater and burgundy skirt will do. And then I got the orange socks also from not the thrift store, from SHEIN. And then I had these glasses from SHEIN as well as these red butterfly clips. I added those just because in one of the versions of Scooby-Doo, she does have like little red bows in her hair. And then these are my regular glasses that I would wear with these, but I didn't want to take off my contacts. So there you go, guys. That's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you did, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that you know when I post new videos. And don't forget to let me know down in the comment section below which outfit was your favorite, which one was the closest do you guys think, and which one would you want to be for Halloween if you had to hurry up and DIY one of these outfits. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one.